Okay, so magic wand. So we've got an image here. Again, it's quite a good contrast image. So you can see the magic wand. So this is the magic wand here. It's quite... It is useful, but it is quite a blunt instrument, really. So we've got the tolerance here at about 30, let's say. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on this blue. So we've got like a really block color of blue here. You can see it does go from a lighter blue to a darker blue, but it's a block color. So if we click on that, we can see that using the point sample here and a tolerance of 30, it's selected all the blue within that color range. So if we deselect, Control or Command D, and then we go, let's make that 80, and now we select, now we click with the magic wand tool, it's selected all the blue. So that's, that's how that works. The higher the number, the more from the color range it's going to choose. If we bring this back down to 30, we click on the brown of the rock, you can see it choosing very, very little here. It's chosen a good selection there, look. So we might want to up the average, so the 5x5 average. So it's going to choose a selection of colors around it, and then you can see it chooses a lot more of the color. So let's say this color is here, but it's only selecting what's attached to it. So you can see it's one shape. It's because you've got contiguous selected. So if we deselect and turn off contiguous, when we click this now, it's chosen the light brown from all over the rock, from all of the image even, not just from this one area that it's attached to. So you can just hold down Shift and select and continue to keep selecting areas until you've got the whole rock, and then you've got the whole rock selected. Be careful, there will be some areas that you've missed. So oops. So you just need to click on your magic wand, and you can see when the area's been missed because you can see it turns into the wand there. So you just hold down the Shift key when the little plus turns up next to the magic wand, and just select those areas. There we go. So that's the basic intro to the magic wand.